we are trying to solve for x, but I can't get to that x right now because of the exponent and the factor of 100. So let's divide both sides by 100. And that gives me 12.39 equals 1 plus 1 over x to the 10th. Now I've still got that exponent. That's a problem. So what I'm going to do is raise both sides to the 1 over 10. And the reason I'm doing that, you've got a power to a power, and laws of exponents says you multiply. And 10 times 1/10 is 1. So we've gotten rid of that 10 as an exponent. But of course, I have a 1/10 power on the left. So now let's clear our fractions by multiplying every term on both sides by x. So that's 12.39 to the 1/10 times x equals x plus 1. And let's get all of our x's on the same side. We minus x equal 1. Now I'd like to see 1x. Right now I'm seeing 2 x's, but that x is common in both terms. So factor it out. And that will leave me a 1 there. Factored it out here. I factored the x out here and here. And now just divide both sides by this factor. And that's going to be 1 over 12.39 to the 1/10 minus 1. 1 over 12.39 to the 1/10 minus 1. I'm going to use my calculator and round to 2 decimal places. That gives me 3.49.